nights.
Winter is coming.
The direwolf is a sigil of your house. There are 5 pups, 1 for each of the Stark children. You were meant to have them.
What about you?
I'm not a Stark.
You're Ned Stark's bastard, aren't you? Never forget what you are. Wear it like armor. The Starks have manned the wall for thousands of years. And you are a Stark. You might not have my name, but you have my blood.
King rides for Winterfell.
I can't rule the kingdoms if the Starks and the Lannisters are at each other's throats.
Your son has no claim to the throne.
Liar!
You condemn yourself with your own mouth, Lord Stark, and seize this traitor.
Your son is marching south with an army of Northmen. Loyal lad, fighting for his father's freedom.
One victory does not make us conquerors. Did we free my father? Did we rescue my sisters from the Queen? Did we free the North from those who want us on our knees?
We never should have left Winterfell.
Don't you wish we could go back to the day we left?
How could we know?
The cold winds are rising.
When dead men, and worse, come hunting for us in the night, do you think it matters who sits on the Iron Throne?
No.
Good. Because I want you and your wolf with us when we ride out beyond the wall tomorrow.
They'll be back soon. No, they won't.
We have to get the girls back.
Please let me go home. I won't do any treason, I swear.
Mother says I'm still to marry you, so you'll stay here and obey.
Do you want to live, boy?
No one's seen Arya Stark since her father was beheaded.
The Lannisters took us prisoner.
They say he can turn into a wolf himself when he wants.
The King of the North!
They say he can't be killed.
Do you believe them?
No, my lord. Anyone can be killed.
Mother. The Lannisters send their regards.
Raven's been coming to me ever since I fell from that tower.
You can get inside his head, see through his eyes. You're a wolf. But the Raven is something different, something deep.
He saw us!
North.
I know where we have to go.
So you admit you murdered Corin Harper?
He wanted me to kill him. The Halfhound believed our only chance to stop Mance was to get a man inside his army.
You know nothing, Jon Snow.
I ate with the wildlings. I climbed the wall with the wildlings. I lay with a wildling girl.
Joffrey. Cersei. Walder Frey.
I see a darkness in you. And in that darkness, eyes staring back at me. Eyes you'll shut forever.
A coin of great value. If the day comes when you must find me again, just give that coin to any men from Braavos and say these words to him.
Valar Morghulis.
So where are we going?
To a land so far from here, even Cersei Lannister can't get her hands on you.
I can't marry him. You can't make me. He is a traitor, a murderer.
You're not marrying Roose Bolton. No, you'll be marrying his son and heir, Ramsay.
Bastards can rise high in the world. Like your half-brother, Jon Snow.
You will find the strength to do what needs to be done. Winter is almost upon us. Kill the boy. And let the man be born.
Are you sure you're ready for this?
I'm the three-eyed raven. I have to be ready for this.
You'll never be one of us, Lady Stark.
You have Castle. My watch is ended. You didn't slaughter every one of the Starks. Leave one wolf alive,
And the sheep are never safe.
When people ask you what happened here, tell them the North remembers.
If I don't watch over you, Father's ghost will come back and murder me.
Where will we go?
Can't stay here, not after what happened.
There's only one place we can go. Home.
Or should we tell the Boltons to pack up and leave?
We'll take it back from them. We're going to die tomorrow, Lord Bolton. Sleep well.
To the traitor Ambassador Jon Snow, you have betrayed the North. Your brother Rickon is in my dungeon. His direwolf skin is on my floor. Come and see. I want my bride back. Send her to me, bastard, and I will not trouble you or your wilding lovers. Winterfell is mine, bastard. Come and see.
Your words will disappear. Your house will disappear. Your name will disappear. All memory of you will disappear. Jon, a raven came from the Citadel. A white raven.
In winter, we must protect ourselves. Look after one another.
Winter is here.
The army of the dead is real. The Night King is real. I've seen. If they get past the wall, we're finished.
Many underestimated you. Most of them are dead now.
And the snows fall and the white winds blow. The lone wolf dies, but the pack survives.